How to remove dandruff quickly with ginger. Dandruff is caused by a fungal infection of the scalp triggered by a type of yeast called malassezia. The white flakes found in hair and on the shoulders are dead skin cells, and they are more threatening to your self-confidence than they are to your overall health. But there's no reason you should have to live with them. There are many dandruff shampoos on the market, but few of them actually offer long-term results. Why waste money on those when you can treat dandruff naturally, safely, and effectively with something as simple as ginger? Is ginger good for dandruff? That's right, ginger is more than a spice. People in India and China have been using ginger to treat a variety of health and beauty issues, including dandruff, for centuries. You're about to learn how they do it, but first, let's take a look at the properties that make ginger such an effective dandruff treatment. Ginger is a natural antiseptic that kills the fungi that cause dandruff. It also contains magnesium, potassium, amino acids, fatty acids, and calcium that nourish the scalp and prevent thinning and dryness. Ginger inhibits the growth of yeast, stopping flakes, itchiness, and dandruff before they happen. It reduces inflammation of the scalp. The active volatile oils in ginger promote proper circulation, which is essential to healthy scalp and hair. The vitamins and minerals in ginger promote strong, shiny hair. Ginger juice moisturizes the scalp and hair. Improper digestion of food causes dandruff. Ginger promotes proper digestion of the dietary fats and proteins your scalp needs to stay healthy. How to use ginger as a dandruff treatment. Ginger comes in many forms, including fresh root, juice, powder, and supplement pills. It can be used alone and in combination with other natural ingredients that keep hair healthy, and you can use it topically and internally. Try all the methods outlined below until you find the one that works best for you. 1. Ginger sesame lemon rinse. Mix 2 tablespoons ginger juice with 3 tablespoons sesame oil and the juice of 1 lemon. Gently massage this mixture into your entire scalp. Leave on 20 minutes, then wash your hair as usual. Repeat 3 times a week. 2. Ginger oil and olive oil. Mix 1 part ginger oil with 2 parts olive oil. Use fingertips to gently massage this mixture into your entire scalp. Leave on overnight and rinse with water in the morning. Repeat regularly to get rid of dandruff. 3. Ginger and coconut oil. Mix 1 tablespoon ginger juice, 1 teaspoon warm coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon olive oil. Massage gently into scalp and hair. Leave on 40 minutes. Wash hair with mild shampoo. Repeat 2 times weekly. 4. Ginger lemon rinse. Mix equal quantities fresh ginger juice and fresh squeezed lemon juice. Gently massage into scalp and hair. Leave on 15-30 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Repeat regularly to clear dandruff. Note: adding olive oil helps this mixture stretch farther. 5. Ginger beetroot lemon rinse. Beetroot provides vitamins and minerals that promote healthy hair growth, and lemon juice kills the fungus that causes dandruff. Mix equal quantities of ginger juice, lemon juice, and beetroot juice. Massage gently into scalp and leave on 40 minutes. Rinse with clean water and allow hair to air dry. Repeat 2 times weekly. Note: vinegar can be substituted for lemon juice. 6. Fresh ginger juice. Peel and mince 6 ounces fresh ginger root. Place in blender with 1/4 cup water and mix until smooth. Place pureed ginger in cheesecloth and squeeze to extract juice. Apply juice to scalp and leave on 10 minutes. Wash hair with shampoo and allow to air dry. Repeat regularly to prevent dandruff. 7. Grated ginger and olive oil. Peel and grate 1 tablespoon fresh ginger root. Mix with 1 tablespoon olive oil or jojoba oil. Massage gently into entire scalp for 5 minutes. Leave on 30 minutes or until you feel it warming your scalp. Wash hair with mild shampoo but do not use conditioner. Repeat 3 times weekly. 8. Ginger cucumber salad. Ingredients: pickled ginger, drained, 1/3 cup. Cucumber, diced, 2. Rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Agave nectar, 1 teaspoon. Canola oil, 1 tablespoon. Mint leaves, chopped. Salt. Process: in a bowl, mix rice wine vinegar, agave nectar, mint leaves, and canola oil. Add pickled ginger, diced cucumber, and salt and toss. Allow to marinate in refrigerator for about 3 hours. Eat several times a week. 9. Ginger powder with apple cider vinegar. In a bowl, mix 1 part ginger powder and 3 parts apple cider vinegar. Pour a mixture in bottle and leave in cool, dark place for 1 week. Shake daily to ensure proper infusion. After a week, mix equal quantities ginger vinegar infusion and distilled water. Apply mixture to scalp and leave on 15-30 minutes. Wash hair with mild shampoo. Repeat regularly to prevent dandruff. Store the remaining ginger vinegar infusion in refrigerator. 10. Ginger and rosewater. Mix equal quantities of ginger juice and rosewater. Add mixture to water and use to rinse your scalp and hair. Repeat 3 times a week. 11. Ginger with onion. Place equal quantities peeled, minced ginger and minced onion in a blender and mix until smooth. Apply paste to scalp and leave on 30 to 40 minutes. Rinse with water and let hair air dry. Repeat 3 times weekly. Note: onion can be substituted with garlic. Ginger Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Body Shop brand ginger shampoo is the most effective dandruff shampoo available in stores. It relieves itching, stops flakiness, and keeps hair and scalp healthy. It can also be found in online marketplaces like Amazon or Marketplace. Use at least 3 times a week as directed on package. Tips and precautions: for best results, follow the advice below when using ginger to treat dandruff. In addition to stopping dandruff, ginger promotes faster hair growth. Initially, regular application of ginger juice may irritate the scalp, but this is a sign that circulation is improving. Ginger lemon tea contains tons of vitamins and antioxidants that stop dandruff. Always wash and peel fresh ginger before use, and try to always use organically grown ginger. Do not use ginger lemon juice on injured or broken skin. Do not get ginger in your eyes. Wrap a thick hairband around forehead to prevent the juice from trickling into your eyes. Do not use in quantities that exceed those recommended in the above recipes as it may cause irritation. If you experience allergic reactions, stop using ginger immediately. If dandruff persists after trying these natural remedies, consult a doctor. When used regularly in the ways described above, ginger stops dandruff. As with other natural remedies, it is even more effective when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise.